Hi! Welcome back to Tarot Page Philippines. And this video gawin natin ang weekly horoscope para po sa may mga Sun, Moon, and Rising na Sagittarius for March 31 to April 6. So kung bago kayo, please subscribe, like, and share. At kung hindi nyo po alam kung ano yung Sun, Moon, at Rising nyo, importante siya. Sa end po ng video natin, may link tayo para dito. At in-invite pa yung kayo to click the join button sa baba to have access to our extended and exclusive videos para maging member po kayo and other additional perks. For private readings and spell works, you can message us in our Facebook page and one of our admins will help you. At sa gusto mag-donate, you can use the thanks button po sa baba, yung parang heart. Okay. Kamusta ka ba, Sagittarius? So we have here is the Three of Swords and to the Sea. So, ang daming mga emotions na medyo around you and going through you, nagko-course sa'yo, andoon na parang, you wanted to do something, you wanted to give something, you want to experience something, pero parang hindi mo alam kung ano. Yung nagkaroon ka na ba nung pakaramdam na meron kang gustong kainin na food, pero hindi mo alam kung ano. Parang ganun siya. Ganun yung setting mo. Ganun yung course mo ngayon. And ano na, you're trying a lot para ma-fulfill yun. Pero parang hindi mo alam or parang walang nangyayari. It's because andoon na, you're doing it on your own. Gumagawa ka ng paraan based sa kakayanan mo. Based sa alam mo. It is actually a good sense na sinasabi ng cards right now na medyo maglaylo ka. Pahinga mo muna yung talagang sinasabi ng puso mo, not yung sa naiisip mo na kailangan mong gawin. And yes, although you are called the house of intelligence, ayan, higher intelligence, higher learning, travel. Pero kasi andoon na andoon na there is one intelligence na kailangan natin bigyan pansin, and that is your EQ, your emotional quotient. So this is where your heart really matters. Pero ano ba yung nagko-cross sa'yo as of now? So we have here is the Four of Cups and Sea community. Then okay lang naman na may mga you are with people, you are nakikipag-flow ka with other people. Kumaga, sinusundan mo lang naman yung Proverbs 27 verse 17. Google mo kung ano yung kasabi doon. So, pinapractice mo na siya, which is good as well. However, andun din kasi na this is something that you need to deal on your own, sabi ng Four of Cups. Kumaga, yes, the community may help, pero kasi you feel na parang, in a way, nala-left out ka, na parang may kulang or something is at loss. So, this is a time for, siguro may tawag natin na hermit moment mo. Ito na kasi pumapasok ka sa, isolation moment. Actually, maganda experience yon. Yung tipo, medyo for the meantime, or until further notice, gagawin ng universe is ida-drive ka sa dry deserts. Ayun yung maganda It's an experience na after nung dry desert experience, you will come out as someone different. Yung in kay Jesus tinawag siya na 40 days experience. Kay Paul tinawag siya the Damascus Road experience. Yan. So it is what you need, an encounter. Yun yung kailangan mo ngayon. Encounter with the divine. Paano ka magkakaroon ng encounter with the divine? Yung one-on-one encounter mo. Ayun, burning bush experience, yung kay Moses. Kung hindi ka hihiwalay muna sa mga tao. So this is a time of really you need that Damascus experience. Search mo sa Book of Acts, yung The Road to Damascus, the experience of Apostle Paul. Maintindihan mo bakit kailangan mo siya na mas malalim. Assignment mo yan. Feedback ako anong naintindihan mo doon. Comment. So, right now, your desired card is the Queen of Pentacles and Thinking. And I thinker. Andun kasi na ano eh. You're approaching things right now. You're trying to approach things in a logical perspective. Pero in the spiritual matter kasi, madalas walang logic. Take it from me. Madalas, yung mga signs na bibigyan ng universe, yung mga gagawin niya, it doesn't make sense during that time. Pero, once naman na natapos na, once you go through it, doon na siya magme-make sense. Bakit siya sa experience ni Paul, nabulag siya? Yung sa Damascus experience niya, bakit siya nabulag? Because it is something, it has a deeper meaning. So, ito yung experience na kailangan mong pagdaanan ngayon, na kinikrave. Huwag mo isipin na it doesn't abide by the logical standards you have or the logic of this world. Because remember, the logic of the universe, the logic of the Creator is greater than ours. Your foundation is the Wheel of Fortune tsaka why. Ayun na nga. Hay. Minsan may mga may mga nagagawa ka or meron ka mga skills na hindi mo alam na meron ka. It is the universe telling you na, hey, ginigising natin yung capacity mo. Na, uy, medyo kailangan mo na magkaroon ng idea on how to approach things, on how to mingle with things. And in the process, changes is being done. May mga nagbabago. And important yun. Even in the transition of power, magulo siya sa totoo lang sa transition natin sa life. But at the end of the day, these changes is necessary. Yung transfer of power is necessary. And that the Damascus experience you will be having is also important kasi it changed kasi yung the experience ni Paul, actually, original name niya is Saul. Pero after nung Damascus experience niya, after nun, nag-iba siya from persecutor siya ng Christians, naging siya yung tinatawag na apostle to the Gentiles. And eventually, yung name niya, from Saul, pinalitan to Paul. Diba? So, mukhang magkakaroon ka ng new identity in the course of your life. So, in the past kasi andoon na, we have here the Ace of Cups and exchanging gifts. And andoon na sa Sagittarius, you exchange a lot. You invested a lot sa mga maling experiences, maling knowledge, maling wisdom, even maling tao, even in the wrong places, even yung mga maling gamit. So, it is a learning curve. Paghugutan natin siya ng knowledge mo, paghugutan natin siya ng wisdom mo. Huwag yung tipong, nagkamali na ako. So, yes, nagkamali ka in the past. Mga mali kang piniling mga bagay or tao, lugar, gamit. Pero hindi naman siya ibig sabihin condemned ka na for life. No. It is actually, sabi lang natin parang humps lang siya sa daan. Nag-humps, nauntog ka, masakit, yes, acknowledge natin yun, pero it will subside at alam mo na next time na alam mo na yung gagawin mo next time pag may humps sa daan, kung paano yung magiging takbo mo dapat. Diba? Kasi in the future, once na you've gone through your Damascus experience, we have here the world, tsaka see, message in a bottle. Well, yung perspective mo magbabago talaga. Yung pananaw mo sa buhay, pananaw mo sa mga bagay-bagay, yung even yung approach mo sa mga nangyayari, it will literally turn around. Andoon na ikaw mismo yung magsasabi na, sana matagal ko na ba ginawa to? Sana before pa pala ako nag-go through nito, parang voluntary na akong nag-request sa universe na pagdaanan ko itong Damascus experience na to. But it will be all worth it. Andoon na talaga mag-level up ka in the sense of worldview, in the sense of philosophy mo, actions, wordings, lahat. As in, it will be a total transformation para sa'yo. Kung nakaka-resonate ka sa readings natin, invite kita na i-click mo yung join button sa baba para maging member so you can have access to those extended readings natin. Kung saan mas malalim na yung mga messages ng cards. For now, tuloy natin reading mo. So, yung physical environment mo is a card of death and also mending. Well, andun naman talaga na may mga tao ka talagang sabihin na lang natin na gusto man lang gawing literal na fertilizer para magkaroon sila ng silbi. Gusto mo na talaga silang ibaon kung tutuusin. Yung ano yun? May napakinggan ako, sabi niya, I like people like I like my tea. In a bag and underwater. Although very Scorpio siya, pero ngayon may energy na ganun sa'yo ngayon, na may mga tao, no? Medyo naubos na yung pasensya mo. And also, I'm seeing here, na meron kang hinihiling na parang breakout, or maka-break out ka doon sa current situation mo. Especially in terms of the responsibilities na ginagawa mo araw-araw na hindi ka na nakapagbakasyon or hindi mo na-enjoy sarili mo. Or in terms of your financial situation. Na meron parang you're doing everything you can pero parang walang nangyayari. Pass of Damascus experience. Para magkaroon ng changes. Now, in the emotion environment you have, so we have here the 5 of Wands, tsaka si Chinchin na Wind. So, these cards are actually saying na medyo turmoil yung emotions mo na hindi mo minsan maintindihan what's really happening. Hindi mo magets what's really going on. Pero ang pinapaalala sa'yo ng cards dito, that is part of the changes. Kasi change does not happen usually on the outside pag ang universe gumagawa. Magsisimula yan deep inside mo. Magsisimula yan na baguhin ka from your core, then palabas. It is kumbaga, it's like a healing process. It's like the changing process. Pero, isisimula ng universe from within you muna. Kaya andoon na, siguro, kailangan mo ng isolation moment para ma-deal mo mabuti yon. Mabigyan mo ng tamang focus, mabigyan mo ng tamang connection. Kasi, if not, andoon na na ikaw yung maguguluhan kapag hinayaan mo yung external force sa magulo, tapos biglang may internal turmoil nangyari, nag-stir up emotions. Na hindi mo na alam kung paano mo gagawin yun. Focus on the inside first. Now, your hopes and fears, we have here the 8 of Swords, tsaka Fork in the Road. Alam mo din na you need to make that decision. Pero andun yung point na you're hoping na ma-silence yung knowledge mo. Actually, it's also synonymous yung patahimikin natin yung utak natin. It is the same as patahimikin mo din yung ego. Kasi yun yung gusto mangyari yun yung kailangan eh. It is rooted in your ego. Yung mga knowledge mo. Kasi yun nga, siya, pag alam mo, alam ko na yan. So, ganito dapat ganito, dapat ganyan. So, yun yung gustong i-silence ng universe in your behalf. Para mas marinig mo yung sinasabi, yung guidance ng universe na usually nalulunod kasi siya sa iingay ng sarili mong isip at sa iingay ng mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo. The possible future mo is the 6 of Swords and Imagine. Ayan na. Okay, so acknowledge ulit natin that you are the 9th house, the house of philosophy, higher knowledge, and travel. Pero lahat yon babasagin ng universe this time. Kasi may mga ideas ka, may mga paniniwala ka, may mga pinanghahawakan ka na hindi na siya nakakatulong sa'yo. Na hindi na siya nagkakaroon ng positive impact sa'yo. That the universe is saying, this needs to go, ito kailangan modify, ito kailangan mag-stay. So, ano ba itong mga to na gustong i-modify ng universe during your Damascus experience? And yung mga, and when will it start? So, let's check that sa extended reading mo. To access it, i-click mo yung join button sa baba. So, tandaan natin yung mga readings are for guidance purposes, use your free will wisely. And if you're new, subscribe, like, and share. So maraming salamat. God bless, Namaste, Hare Krishna, and Blessed be. Naway magkita tayo sa extended readings mo. Mula dito po sa Baguio City in Dominican Hill. Have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.